guys, so welcome to week 5 and day number 1. This is our grading series. So this video clip today is all the grading syllabus for lower grades, and then each day we do a different syllabus for a different grade. Okay? But that's not to say that purple belts and so on, this is not for you today, because this is the basics you have to get absolutely correct. So it is for everyone, right? But let's get started, let's get warm, feet together. 8, rain, so my mats are wet, I'll probably going to slip over. Don't laugh. Alright, one leg forward, one leg back. One front, one behind. Find a dry spot. Over here perhaps. Little tiny bounces. Little tiny bounces, little ones. And bigger. Bigger, reaching for the sky. And right, now we're just do 10 little pike jumps. So a pike jump is touch your toes, legs straight. So there, 1, and touch them. 2, 3, 4, 5, really get him up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1 to the side. 10. Alright, enough of those. Big toes to hips. And arms up. And throw them back. Well, hard work, those pike jumps. And out. And stretch up. And down. And up. 2 fingers outside. And up sky. Into the floor. Up sky. Into the floor. Next apart. I went slow because I'm going to slip. And rocking. And sink down the left one. Low, 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 low. And change. Low, 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 low. And change. Really stretch into it. Change other side. Change other side. Good. And rocking. So well done to everyone who completed the virtual karate challenge last week. So we've put a medal aside if you signed up to that. But if you didn't, don't panic. After the grading, we've got another virtual karate challenge coming as well for our second medal, which again is a really pretty red one this time. Stretch forwards, elbows, showing your elbows to the floor. Grab on your gi and toes, and pull your head down more. Pull, pull. Yeah, up and rocking. Getting a little bit further and rocking. Same as when you grip your ankles, pull yourself down. Okay. Now, if you can rest your elbows on the floor, great. And if that's dead easy, rest your chin on the floor and down. Push your elbows down. Grab those skis. Pull down. Yeah, no, and rock. And shake this. Look at the hips. Good. Shake those. Right. Make sure your gi is smart. Alright, sharp. Ready? Left foot in rings. No, too slow. Ready? It's got to be quick when the grading's coming. Quick, sharp. Ready? Think. Right leg forward in break. Oh, you got it wrong again. You've got to pay attention. Left leg. Ready? Think left leg. Left foot in rings. Good. Right. Stem forwards. So blame punch. 1. And then it depends how much space you got. Go forwards or backwards. I'm going backwards. 2, 3. And you get 1 more in. 4. Brilliant. 4. Ready? When we turn, I want to see correct turns now. So that back leg, tap it, tap that back leg, good, and just twist the body and move that back leg. When we did this a few weeks ago. Going forwards, 1, back 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Tap that back leg. As one, watch it now. Just slide sideways. Doesn't come all the way in. Slide sideways. Turn my body and block. Right. So what makes a punch? Beginner punch or black belt punch or somewhere in between? Well, a beginner, they tend to step, chuck an arm out and punch out. A black belt is thinking about push off that foot. Push, because all the force comes to that foot, because it's got to push against something. To move, got to push against something, and that is the floor. So when I'm stepping, really the power starts down by my foot. It goes up through my foot, into my hip, that adds a lot of power on my hip, and finally that acceleration now, we push forwards. So as I'm looking for black belts, I'm looking at the power goes always straight from my leg and through my arm, and there's no straight line as possible. Okay, if it's going out to the side, it's not a straight line. So again, higher grades, if your elbow comes out, the power isn't going straight, it's going around, and you lose power. when you go forward, it's there, straight through, and drop into it. So that's what I'm looking for higher grades. Ready? 2. Good. Going backwards. 3. Again, when I go backwards, that punch is okay, but really, it's moved away from someone, and I want to be getting into someone. So when I go backwards, I step backwards off that back leg, I push forwards. So I actually going backwards, you're going forwards a little bit. Again, there's a higher grade thing to think about. Okay, ready? Back to you. Alright, left foot in rings. Alright, again, so this time upper block, Joe Nagiyuki. Ready? 1. Good. 2. Good. And back 1. Back 2. Good. Ready? Alright, same again. Really make it strong. So forward 1. Back 1. Forward 2. Forward 3. Good. And back to your head. Alright, so left leg forwards. So your lower grades, I want to see those arms cross for me. Yeah? Make sure they cross in the middle. They're not coming round in a circle. They cross. Ready? Watch it again. Left leg forwards. Do it together. 1. Cross. 2. Cross. Middle grades. Guide arm. Drive out. Drive out. Ready? Right. Left leg forwards. Alright, smart. Ready? So 1 forward, 1 back, 2 forwards. Begin. Good. And back to your way. Ready? And left leg forwards. Alright. Again, what makes it a higher grade block? Okay, so there's perfect brown belts watching this. So a higher grade block isn't about lifting. It's not lifting something up. It's actually punching to the side, and that gives it more power. And when you punch the side, you also block there. Okay, so think punch to the side. So you watch mine very closely. It's going sideways at the end. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Ready? Do it as well. 1, 2, 3. And back to your way. And again, remember, we push in if we go backwards. Alright, left leg forwards. Right, this time, Sota Uki. It remembers what it is. Sota Uki. Ready? 1. Ready? 2. It's the outside block. Good. Ready? 3. Make it strong. Back. 1, 2, 3. Good. Back to your way. Left leg forwards. Right, ready? 4 times. So make it swing around. 1. Back 1. My waist pushing in. 2, 3. Good. Again, what makes it black belt? Well, how I get both arms working together. It's not just one arm, one arm. What's this arm doing? Look, watch this one. Watch this one. They're working together. They work together. Okay, so make sure you've got both arms working together. Alright, great. Left leg forwards. Ready? And it's why I like karate hard sometimes, because people will do the basic, but not learn the more difficult bit. And understand there's more to it, but I know you will. Right, left leg forwards. Alright, so then pull both arms. 1, back 2, forward 3, forward 4. Good. And back to your Alright, ready? Left leg forwards, again, right? Alright, ready? Inside block. 1. Good. 2. Back 1. Back 2. Good. Back to your ear. Alright, sharp. Ready? Left ranks. Same pattern as before. So 1 forward, 1 back, 2 forwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Good. And back to your way. Right, can you beat my speed and my strength? Lift forwards. Right, first one. 1 punch forward, 1 back, 2 forwards. Ready? Right, so I curl up my toes. You can see it on camera, but I curl them up. So I'm gripping the floor like a bit like a monkey. I can move faster. Ready? Beat my speed. Don't rush it. In. Set. Good. That's it. Carry away my leg here. I just want the neighbours up. Left foot. Right, up block. Same again. Ready? Remember, push it out strong. Begin. Set. Good. Ready? Outside block. Left forwards. Right, ready? Make it strong. Outside block. Ready? Beat me. Beat my strength. Go on. Got to beat me. Ready? Begin. Good. Back to it. Last one. Ready? Left leg forwards. Inside block. Ready? Begin. Good, and back to your, right, so, sharp left ranks, and that's too slow, back to your, sharp, 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 left ranks, right, ready, it's better, quicker, but, you want to grade, quicker still, fast, ready, wait for it, left ranks, good, ready, right, May Gary, snap kick, so pick that knee up, flick it, ready, knee up and flick it, 1, 2, good, and then we go backwards, pick the same knee up, start the punch, it's got to go forwards. So while I'm going backwards, my feet must go forwards. Push it in. Pick it up, push it in. Ready? Alright, so 1 forward, 1 back, 2 forwards. Start at the back of your lounge. Ready? Begin. Good, and back to your way. Right. So beginners, white belts and the little stripes as well. That's what you'll be asked to do for the grading and the kata. So beginners, it's going to be the first half only. Remember, you're going to copy me, you go the same way as the TV. Right, then kata, kion, ready? Begin. That way. Good, so beginners, white and red stripes, young ones at least, that is all you need to do. The higher grades in the second half, to tap the back foot all the way around. 1, 2, front foot, 3, 4, front foot, 5, 6, 7, 8, back foot in 3 punches, 9, 10, 11, 12. And back to your way. Right, so that will be the syllabus. Get it, we expect you to know has lower grades. But what makes it, like, again, black belts here, I hope you're not watching this video thinking, oh, there's this beginner stuff. What makes it like here, makes it a black belt? I want you to think about it, ready? So I'll show you again a beginner kata versus a normal one. You're just going to do half of it. Yeah, ready? Right, so I'll do it as a black belt. Yun! So ask yourself, what makes it not beginner anymore for this? Right, good, so that's our beginner bit. Tomorrow, look at the next grade. Not this in order, but look at the next grade. Right, ready, sharp left foot in rings. Right, ready, so we can work on a little higher grade bit of fun to finish off. So, little kicking technique from here, and it's all for front leg. So loose on here, I think the front leg. May Gary, so number 1, or May Gary. 1, good, 1, May Gary, so flick it, ready, we loosen our feet, 1, good, sit down, light. So we don't bounce up and down, get tired, we're just loose, which means I can shuffle, but I'm not a target, and I'm solid, and someone comes around a bit too obvious, so I'm loose on my feet, 1, good, 1, 1, good, 1, good, ready, right, now number 2 is more shigeri, so you can get the front foot a little bit harder now, it goes sideways, in sideways. That's number 2. 2. Good. 2. 2. Good. Ready? 2. Good. And then number 3, okay, is going to be Shiro Moshigiri. Ready? Off the front leg. There's the opposite way around. So watch, just go that way. Comes across and snaps back. Ready? Right, since it's crying, it's because the video stopped halfway through. I'm not sure quite where it got up to. I'm going to finish off with a bit of overlap here. Okay, and I've just said something. Oh well, tough luck. Right, left foot forwards. Right, so working on that front leg kick. So bounce in the spot. Then we don't go up and down, okay, because it wastes energy. We're just being loose and light on our feet. Ready? We're working that forward shuffle, snap, Megeri. Ready? And number 2, if I said it before, is more shigeri. So shuffle, more shigeri. Number 3, okay, shuffle, Shiro Moshigiri. Off that front foot. Ready? Alright, ready? 1. Good, ready? 2. Good. 3. Good, change legs. So 1. Good. 2. That front leg. 3. Good, ready? Right, so the next one I'm working on with those kicks is now what we call a shift and shuffle. And the idea is rather than being stood here, okay, deja vu going here, so rather than being stood here, okay, and just kicking there, not going to reach anyone, or bring my back leg up, my opponents can see me. The minute I bring my back leg up, they kind of know and they're gone. So what I want to work on is that idea that I move both legs together. So if I'm doing my Maigeri from here, that's where the back leg goes. It goes that halfway across the mat. So it's all done in one. So watch both legs carefully here. So go together. Right, let's do it together. Ready? I'll do it sideways. You can see my legs, but you go forward. Ready? 1. Good. Then turn when you run out of room. 2. Good. Now to do more shigeri. 2. Good. Same again, more shigeri. Push the body. Push the body. Ready? 2. Good. Ready? 2. The only advantage of doing it again is my legs going faster, and then I warmed up. 2. Good. Ready? Shiro more shigeri, coming back the other way. 3. Ready? Same again, push the body. Ready? 3. Do it in 1. Ready? 3. Go the other way. 3. Good. Right. So now the next bit is to add in a punch. So imagine you're there, you're hacking someone's free, so okay, you step forward, you kick. 1. They've gone backwards on the edge of your mat. If they step out of the arena, they get a penalty point. So from here, the kick hasn't quite worked, they've escaped, but the punch can either score or force them out the arena, which is your advantage. So drill for it through Yakuzuki. Ready? Alright, 10 count. Ready? So watch out for numbers. 1. Ready? Changing legs each time. 2. 3. 2. So really remember, there's no point in a punch. The kick that's out here and the punch only comes here. It's got to go as far as your kick did or further. Really got to work it. Ready? 2. 3. 3. Now I know my own kicks are not quick enough, but they're 1. There's a big gap before the punch comes, so work on making that gap very, very small. So where's your aim? 2. One way to help is don't always go high. Treat the kick as a dummy. So there, okay, I can go low, some more time for punch. Last one. 1. Good, back to your way. Right. So, last one, I'm just going to finish with a little black belt kata for you called Jion. So, kata's Jion, J-I-I-O-N. Links. Right, come to the centre. A little bit like a gym, you know it? Ready? Drop back the left leg. 1 cut. Look to the side. Sink load to front stance. Kick, triple punch. Same the other side with the front leg. So I should say I'm doing it the normal way now, so you should be pointing that way. 2. And down the middle. Up block, Yakuzuki. Up block, Yakuzuki. Up block, punch. Ready? One more time, and then you can always rewind it. Watch it again. Ready? Come to the centre. Good. Drop back your left leg. 1, look left. Slow. Kick, triple punch. 2. 3. 4. Up block Yakuzuki. Same again. Single. Single. And that's your first ki. And back to yours. Right, well done today. If it overlapped, sorry, camera stopped. Right, very good. See you next time.